life expectancy gap growing between rich/poor world women, who NBCnews.com. U.S. World. Politics. Business. Tech. Science. Health. Investigations. Entertainment. Sports. Travel. Nightly news. Meet the press. Dateline. Today. MSNBC. News.com. MSN. NBC News. Health. Follow us. Facebook. Twitter. RSS. Showing me. Healthcare. Diet and fitness. Alzheimer's. Body odd. Women's health. Men's health. Kids' health. Aging. Allergies. Cold and flu. Cancer. Diabetes. Heart health. Mental health. Sexual health. Heart disease life expectancy gap growing between rich/poor world women who children's health whooping cough reaches epidemic level in Texas. Official the age of Alzheimer's. How Down syndrome may help unravel Alzheimer's puzzle. Sexual health teen birth rate hits historic low. Federal report says obesity. Human germs from obese people make mice fat. The age of Alzheimer's. The race for the next generation of Alzheimer's drugs. Tobacco. Number of U.S. students who've tried e-cigarettes has doubled. CDC says health. Chobani officially recalls moldy yogurt after complaints. The age of Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's extracts a high price on caregivers. To health insurance plenty of options under healthcare law. Studies show video games. Racy video game makes older adults better. Multidiscers genome. Good medicine or me? What happens if you screen all of a baby's genes? Health. Surprise finding. Faster isn't better in cutting heart attack deaths. Health for teen patients possibly exposed to rare and fatal brain disease from NH hospital crime. Castro's death may bring some closure for victims. Experts say health. People, stop washing your chicken. Gross video may finally convince you. Health unraveling Alzheimer's mysteries in search of new treatment. Night. Dianine's success all in her head. Experts say the age of Alzheimer's. Join the conversation. Maria Shriver answers your questions about Alzheimer's. Heart attack. 200,000 die a year from preventable heart disease. Stroke. The age of Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's patients mentor med students in buddy program. Advertise. Advertise. Heart disease. Life expectancy gap growing between rich/poor world women, who? Stephanie Nebahé Reuters. Facebook share on Facebook. Twitter. LinkedIn. Google+. Email. September 3, 2013 at 9:06 a.m. at life expectancy for women at 50 has improved, but the gap between poor and rich countries is growing and could worsen without better detection and treatment of cardiovascular disease and cancers, the World Health Organization (WHO) says in a new study. The WHO study, one of the first to analyze the causes of death of older women, found that in wealthier countries deaths from non-communicable diseases has fallen dramatically in recent decades, especially from cancers of the stomach, colon, breast and cervix. Women over 50 in low and middle-income countries are also living longer, but chronic ailments, including diabetes, kill them at an earlier age than their counterparts, it said. The gap in life expectancy between such women in rich and poor countries is growing, the WHO researchers wrote. More women can expect to live longer and not just survive childbirth and childhood. But what we found is that improvement is much stronger in the rich world than in the poor world. The disparity between the two is increasing, Dr. John Beard, director of WHO's Department of Aging and Life Course, said in an interview. What it also points to is that we need, particularly in low and middle-income countries, to start to think about how these emerging needs of women get addressed. The success in the rich world would suggest that is through better prevention and treatment of non-communicable diseases, Beard added. In women over 50, non-communicable diseases (NCDs), particularly cancers, heart disease and strokes, are the most common causes of death, regardless of the level of economic development of their country, the report reads. Health Minister